Welcome to this Elite Technique tutorial, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. Today we're going to talk about project templates, how to set them up, how they work, and as always, how they will simplify and streamline the construction of your project pipelines. Whether you're new to the system or need a quick refresher, this guide is intended for audiences of all levels. By the end of this video, you will know how to optimize your workflow with confidence and save valuable time. Let's get started. When in the CRM app, located directly under the Command Center app, click on Configuration and select Job Types. Hit Create to create a job type. The most common ones are residential and commercial. Hit Save to complete the process on each one. Now that job types are set up, it's time for step 2, for which we first need to create an open lead. And while doing so, select the correct job type. Again, don't forget to hit Save to complete the process. Go into the Projects app and click on Create to create a project. Since this will be the template we will set to be used on a residential job, we'll name it Residential Project Template. Before we add any tasks, we need to create a column. So type in the name of your choice and then proceed to add the tasks that we want our project template to contain, and click on Add to save each one. You also have the ability to select who this task in your organization will be assigned to, and many other things if you want to get more granular or more in-depth. We will provide a completely separate SOP video on everything that has to do with project pipelines in Elite Technique to show you all the cool features the software has to offer. Now that we've created our residential project template, the next step is to click on Configuration and select Project Template Mapping. Click on Create and under Job Type, select in this case Residential. Then under Project Template, select the template we just created, which is Residential Project Template. Finally, hit Save to make it official. The next time you get a residential job, this will be the template that will be pulled into the project pipeline. Thank you very much.